Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of mammoths, one of the most iconic and massive creatures in history. We'll explore how these magnificent animals lived, why they went extinct, and whether modern biotechnology could bring them back. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. 1. The history and species of mammoths. Mammoths, members of the genus Mammoths, are believed to have appeared around 5 million years ago. The most famous species is the Mammothus primigenius, also known as the woolly mammoth. These incredible creatures grew to be around 12 tons in weight and more than 4 meters in height. What makes mammoths particularly remarkable is their long, curved tusks and thick, shaggy fur. 2. Physical characteristics of mammoths. Mammoths had physical features perfectly adapted to the cold, harsh climates they lived in. Their bodies were covered in thick, long fur, which helped protect them from the extreme cold. Their tusks, which could grow over 15 feet long, were not only a symbol of their strength, but were also used for tasks like digging through snow to find food. 3. The environment of mammoths. Mammoths roamed vast, cold landscapes, primarily across the northern hemisphere. They thrived in open tundra and cold steppe environments during the Ice Age, where they grazed on grasses and shrubs. The climate was freezing, with long winters and short summers. Mammoths lived in herds, socializing and moving together to survive the harsh conditions. The extinction of mammoths about 10,000 years ago, mammoths began to disappear. The reasons for their extinction are still debated, but the primary factors were climate change as the Ice Age ended, and overhunting by early humans. Some scientists believe the last remaining population of mammoths lived on Wrangel Island until about 4,000 years ago, making them one of the last known populations to exist before vanishing forever. 5. The possibility of mammoth resurrection. Although bringing back mammoths is not yet possible, researchers are exploring ways to revive them through modern biotechnology. Some scientists are working on genetic studies to potentially clone mammoths using preserved DNA. The idea of bringing them back to life and reintroducing them into ecosystems is still in the realm of speculation, but it's an exciting area of research. 6. The role of mammoths in prehistoric ecosystems. Mammoths were not just large, majestic animals. They played a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem around them. Their grazing habits helped shape the landscape by preventing the overgrowth of plants, which would have otherwise choked out other species. The constant movement of mammoths across vast areas also helped in spreading seeds, contributing to the growth of new vegetation. In essence, they acted as a keystone species, maintaining balance in their environment. 7. The mammoth's social structure. Mammoths were highly social creatures, living in family groups led by the oldest female. Much like modern-day elephants, these herds would travel together, share responsibilities for protecting the young, and care for each other. The bonds between members of the herd were strong, and their cooperative nature was key to their survival in the harsh climates of the Ice Age. 8. Ancient human interaction with mammoths. Humans and mammoths coexisted for thousands of years, and evidence suggests that early humans hunted mammoths for their meat, bones, and tusks. Archaeologists have found cave paintings, tools made from mammoth bones, and even remains of mammoth bones used to construct shelters. The mammoth's tusks were particularly valuable, as they were carved into tools, ornaments, and even ceremonial objects. 9. The mystery of mammoth DNA. In recent years, scientists have made significant progress in studying ancient mammoth DNA. By extracting genetic material from well-preserved mammoth remains, they have been able to sequence their genome. This work could eventually help in understanding not only how mammoths lived, but also what led to their extinction. In fact, some scientists are attempting to use this DNA to attempt cloning or even the creation of a hybrid species, which some call the woolly mammoth of the future. So mammoths were incredible animals that left a lasting impact on both our history and the planet. While much remains a mystery about their extinction, their legacy continues to inspire scientific research and imagination. If you want to learn more about mammoths and other prehistoric creatures, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. See you next time.